Hey, I got my gourd canteen here so I can stay hydrated while I was out. Got my rabbit hide, which I use for a pillow. Got my bow drill kit. With natural cordage made from wisteria. Got my hand drill kit, which is poplar and horseweed. I got a spoon that I carved. I've got a container which I boiled my water in to purify it. Pine pitch stick to do repairs. Small cup for processing material. A hoko knife made with stone blade. And then of course, my basket that I made to carry all my gear out of grapevine. And it's hooked up to an A-frame, again with wisteria, all natural cordage. This is what you're going to learn here at Hoboforge if you take the primitive survival course, and much more.